Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through some of the problems on the 6F assignment. Okay. First one, number one, find the axis of symmetry for each function. Okay, we've got an x-intercept here at 0 and at 6, so we just find halfway between 0 and 6. 0 plus 6 divided by 2 is 6 halves, which gives us 3. So this axis of symmetry is going to be right here at x equals 3. That is the axis of symmetry. Make sure you give an equation. Axis of symmetry is not 3, it's x equals 3. That's that whole line. Okay? Number two, find the axis of symmetry for each function. Okay? So really what we can do this a couple different ways. We can either use the x equals negative b over 2a, or we can find where the two x-intercepts are. I think that'll actually be probably in this equation probably be a bit faster. So x-intercepts, we know if this is 0, that's going to be 2 and 6. So halfway between 2 and 6 is 8 over 2, gives us 4. So it's going to be x equals 4. Okay? All right. Number 3, quadratic function has axis of symmetry at x equals negative 3. One of the x-intercepts is 4. Find the other x-intercept. You do not have to draw this, but I feel like drawing this is just going to make this a much easier problem to do. So here's our axis of symmetry at x equals negative 3. Right? X equals negative 3. One of the x-intercepts is at 4. Where's the other one going to be? So it's going to be this distance away from the axis of symmetry back that way. So that's a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a distance of 7 from here over to here. So guess what? That means that this is also going to be a distance of 7 to the other x-intercept. Okay, so if this is already at negative 1, 2, 3, go over 7 more, and that means that this would be at negative 10 is where the other x-intercept would be. Okay? Okay. 4, find the axis of symmetry for each function. This is going to be a nicer one for x equals negative b over 2a. Because a is 1, b is 6, and we don't even need c, but c would be 2. So in this case here, it's just going to be x equals negative 6 over 2 times 1. So we get x equals 6 over 2, or x equals 3 is our axis of symmetry. Okay? Again, make sure that you have an equation. X equals 3 is the equation of the axis of symmetry, not just 3. Okay? All right, let's take a look at number 6, quadratic function. Ax squared plus 6x minus 4 has an axis of symmetry of negative 2. Find the value of a. So we have our equation x equals negative b over 2a. So let's plug in what we know. This is our a. A is a. B is 6. And then this is our x equals negative 2, our axis of symmetry. So we would put the negative 2 over here minus b, which is 6, all over 2 times a, which is still a. And now we're just going to solve this thing. Okay? If you've got a fraction equaling some other number, if you put that other number over 1, now you can just do cross products, right? Negative 2 times 2a is negative 4a, and then 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. These cross products will always equal each other. Divide both sides by negative 4, and we get that a is 3 halves. Okay? Okay, one more to take a look at here, and that's number 7. Find the axis of symmetry of this here. A is 2, b is 5, c is 1, x equals negative b over 2a. So we got x equals negative 5 over 2 times a, which is 2. So x is simply going to be negative 5 fourths is the axis of symmetry for that one. Okay, that's all we have for these here. If you have any further questions on any of these or any other ones from the assignment, please feel free to ask. Thanks.